Hi there, YouTubers. You want to grow a YouTube channel, yet you are exhausted. It's taking a lot of time and effort, but I have a well-executed strategy for you, and here are some tips and tactics that you can follow in order to grow your YouTube channel easily. Follow me. Create high-quality content. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO. Use YouTube guidelines and built-in features. Promote your videos on social media. Collaborate with other content creators. Use paid promotions. Engage with your audience. Be consistent. Create strong branding. And finally, you always measure, evaluate, optimize, and improve. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more and grow your YouTube channel and so much more. Plus, we are offering 5 free tools for your marketing techniques. Go ahead and sign up now at www.cheersconnect.com.